So, first things first, make sure you've got the MetaMask extension installed. You can use any wallet of your choice. The main thing is that it is installed in your browser. It may be Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, etc. All steps are exactly the same, but with a different wallet interface. Next, you should visit the Remix website. All links are available in the description. Remix is a Web3 application that allows us to develop, compile, deploy, and launch smart contracts coded in the Solidity language. So we'll create a new file and name it according to your preference. For example, let's call it bot.sol. We're going to go over to this code page, and I'll put this link down in the description of the video so you guys can find it. You can just press Ctrl-A to select everything, and then Ctrl-C to copy it. Depending on your system, though, mouse right-click might work for you too. Then press Ctrl-V to paste it into Remix. Let's compile it. As you can see here, it's built with the 0.6.6 version of Solidity. Under Compiler, select the 0.6.6 version so that it matches our contract. Now, click on the compilebot.sol button and wait for the bot to compile. Make sure your wallet has more than 0.1 Ether and that it's connected to the Ethereum mainnet. We need to deploy the contract on the blockchain by paying gas fees. Proceed to the Deploy and Run Transactions section, and within the Environment tab, opt for Injected Provider MetaMask for your wallet. Confirm the wallet connection upon successful link and proceed to click on Deploy. Now, I highly recommend manually setting the gas to aggressive, as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Now we wait for the transaction to confirm. All right, we can see here that it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Allow me to provide a brief overview of the functions of each button. Set arbitrage token sets the target token the bot will arbitrage. Set sync tokens. Resync tokens if you've updated your arbitrage tokens. Start enables the bot to start monitoring the markets. Stop stops the work of the bot. Withdraw profit from your bot contracts to your wallet. Creator. Check the owner who deployed the arbitrage bot contract. Key. That's your personal API key for working with the bot, and please don't share it with anyone. Now, click this button to copy the contract address. Then we go to Etherscan to verify the contract info. Next, we're going to send some Ether to the contract. This will be used to cover gas fees and let the bot execute trades. To make sure the bot runs optimally, it's recommended to deposit at least 0.1 Ether. I'm going to deposit 1 Ether here. There we go. The transaction confirms that the funds were sent to the contract. And now, it's important to know that we also need to deposit the target token that the bot will be arbitraging. I'm going to deposit WBTC here because I've noticed it tends to have decent price spreads across different dexes. Of course, you can also choose other tokens with good liquidity. Refresh the page. You can see the bot has received exactly 0.2 WBTC for arbitrage trading. Now go back to Remix, and under the Set Arbitrage Token tab, enter the name of the token you've deposited into the contract for arbitrage. The last step is to click Start. Let's set the gas speed to aggressive, save, and click Confirm. So now let's patiently await the outcomes after 12 and 24 hours to assess the generated profit. I'll stop the screen record and come back after 12 hours. All right, guys, It's been a little over 12 hours now, and it's time to check the profits the bot made. So as you can see, over 12 hours, the bot spent about 0.014 Ether in gas fees, which is about $50. And during that time, it earned me about 0.01 Bitcoin. That's about $1,200. That's quite an impressive outcome, I would say. So I'm going to pause the screen recording again and come back after another 12 hours. Let's wait and see how it performs after the full 24-hour mark. All right, let's see how much more we made. Checking the contract, we can see that the bot spent about 0.03 Ether in gas fees over 24 hours, about $110. It earned nearly 0.023 Bitcoin during that same period, which is around $2,700 right now. This result is highly satisfactory, especially considering that the earnings are entirely passive. So returning to Remix, let's proceed to withdraw the funds back to the wallet. Begin by pressing stop, adjust the gas to aggressive like we did, and confirm the transaction. Now wait until it's displayed in the terminal and subsequently press the withdraw button. Change the gas to aggressive again and confirm the transaction. Then wait for it to appear in the terminal. So waiting. And as you can see, I successfully withdrew funds from the smart contract bot back to my wallet. So let's check my wallet. Nice. Money is at my wallet, and now let's verify the smart contract balance. Currently, the bot has a 0 balance, so don't forget to refresh the page for updated information. All right, the next information is very important. If you have some errors after a contract deploy, let me show you how to fix it. So the most popular problem is when Remix can't calculate the transaction fee. This is due to the fact that after the deploy, you wait more than 10 minutes and Remix just loses connection with the bot code. So to fix this, we need to reconnect to the contract or create a new one. We should follow all steps faster or reconnect to the contract. First, update the page. Click on the bot file, in my case bot.sol, and go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Click Compile. After that, go to the Deploy and Run Transaction section. Select Injected Provider MetaMask. Now go to the address of your smart contract at the Etherscan tab. Paste the address of your contract into the Add Address tab. Finally, click on it, and you have access to the bot control menu again. Then continue all these steps according to the instructions. These methods will definitely fix most of your problems. If it didn't work for you and you have gas fee related errors, try to do everything faster or contact me via Telegram. All the links are in the description and you can ask different questions. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights and helped you learn something new. If you are into decentralized finance and Web3, consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching and goodbye.